Don't choose. Make all of them. To do that, try this strategy. Start with 3 comic or manga projects you're passionate about, and work on them in rotation. Set clear milestones for each comic and spend a set amount of time on each stage of the pipeline. These are the stages that I follow. I make them as clear as possible so I'm not confused about what I need to do. Then, at each step of the process, I give myself a goal to hit, and the deadline. For an example. Here at the storyboard phase, thumbnail 1 page in 25 minutes. In the time limit, work on it. I sometimes forget to do this, but make that time tight enough that you feel pressure, but not so short that you barely have time to work on anything. I recommend working in at least 20-minute blocks. It'll keep you focused. You could download a visual timer on your phone, or download an extension to your browser of choice to help you. I've done and use both. When time is up, switch. Keep cycling until all projects are completed at that stage of production. This keeps your creativity fresh and your focus sharp. And, if you hit a wall with one project, simply switch to another. Don't be afraid to step away from a project if it's draining you, just be sure to come back to it when you're ready. Use this quick and simple strategy, and I promise you'll move forward on multiple fronts, and not wasting time thinking about which comic or manga idea you should start. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless.